Welcome to Freeway Ford, a Blue Oval dealer, centrally located on the Southwest Freeway at Hillcroft, just 10 miles south of the Galleria on US 59, where integrity is more than a word. Please call Stephen, Mike, or Gabe at 800-532-4791 to talk about this or any of the other specials.
You will love this off-white '08 Ford Edge SEL, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 46,873 miles. Enjoy an impressive 24 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like steering wheel audio controls, compact disc changer, keyless entry, driver's side airbag, passenger's front airbag, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this '08 Ford Edge SEL. See us at Freeway Ford today.
Call Stephen, Mike, or Gabe today at 800-532-4791 or stop in to talk about this or any of our other specials.